Hi, my name is Mark and this is my Nissan Silvia S15 Spec R. So I was always interested in the Japanese car scene. I previously had a Nissan Laurel, which I imported from Japan. I had sold that throughout college when I was broke. And then after college, I wanted to get back into the Japanese car scene. Unfortunately, the prices skyrocketed since. So the best way I thought I could get back into it was do them car raffles that were on the internet. The car came up for a raffle last year in March, I believe. So I purchased 20 tickets of £1 each, so £20. And I remember that evening coming home from work, I got a missed call and I left it thinking it was a UK number. It was probably work related, so I won't answer it. And then I got another phone call from the same person. Again, I didn't answer it. And then I got a message saying, "Hi Mark, this is 7-day performance on your recent purchase. If you could just contact us." And I started to panic a little. So I went onto the website and then I seen Mark Foy has won Nissan Silvia S15 Rocketbunny kit and I panicked. I was pacing all over the place. I didn't know what to do. I rang them back and they gave me an opportunity to think about it. They had a cash alternative, but once they sent me the mod spec sheet, I was full certain that I wanted the car to keep it. Importing the car was a bit more trickier than I thought it would be. I thought it would be quite easy given that Gibraltar is an overseas British territory. Unfortunately, it was not the case. They had it hard to value the car because they didn't know what it was. They had it hard to pass the MOT here because of all the modifications. The fact that it was a right-hand drive Japanese car that these guys have never seen before, it caused a lot of problems and issues with customs, with MOT, modifications, certifications, etc, etc. But after probably 7 months of battling, I finally got it on the road legally and I get to enjoy driving it around Gibraltar and Spain. Most of the modifications happened before my time, so I'm going to give a shout out to Glenn Mann, who was the previous owner of this car. He did an excellent build. So there's a Garret Gen 2 turbo, ready intercooler. Obviously the two biggest points are the Rocketbunny kit, which is insanely wide, and to go with that insanely wide Rocketbunny kit, it has two insanely wide sets of wheels, 12J on the rear T37s and 10J on the front T37s as well. It also has a full HKS exhaust system. It has a tile 44mm external wastegate. It has DEFI gauges, everything you could really want in a car, especially for 20 quid. So it was something I can't complain about. There's plenty of stuff I would like to do to the car in the future. I'm going to bring the car back to Ireland. I already have a body kit which I bought from Japan. Shout out to JDM Distro for getting that in for me. So I have that body kit ready to go. It's a Car Modify Wonder body kit, so the Rocketbunny kit will now be gone. I do like the Rocketbunny kit, it's aggressive, but it's just not what I want for my car. So going forward, I'm going to have a Car Modify Wonder body kit going on it. I will probably change the wheels if I get a chance to something wide, but not as wide as what it currently is. I want it a bit more responsive on the roads and a bit more drivability, should I say.
Top of the money, on top of the flows, top of the charts, top of the globe. Built a machine and it's top of the line. Started with nothing, I'm watching it grow. On top of my dollars, on top of the gold. You ain't on top of your shit and it shows. Top of the morning, get top in the morning. It's a long story, watch it unfold. Minding my business and finding a bag. I used to the shit I was dying to have. Used to put chips in the Frito-Lay truck to get paid. It was honestly kind of a drag. I got it poppin', told them I quit. I sold the Mazda and packed on my shit. I had a girl at the time, but we split. Moved to LA cause I needed a lift. I got a fear over getting complacent. Too many friends with a talent that wasted. Feels like it bothers me more than it bothers them. How is that possible, homie? I hate it. I know what I got, know what I need. Life keep on moving, slow down the speed. Buried my friend when he died, I was drinking a Coke. That's not how you properly grieve. I seen some shit that you wouldn't believe. I've gotten swindled and I've been deceived. I thought I had it all figured out then. Damn, I was young and naive.
So I've only had the car a year, and unfortunately what comes with a modified car is it brings a lot of attention and sometimes unwanted attention. So I was driving across the border into Spain. They checked my passport, all okay, and they checked my residency card, and unfortunately it had expired. So they confiscated the car from me, and that was 3 stressful days of me trying to get the car back from the Spanish customs. Nevertheless, we got the car back. It's safe and sound, and it just means that I have to make sure that I'm fully legal all the time driving this car. Don't want any issues on the road. I just want to drive the car and have fun, you know. I like meeting other people in the car scene, especially in Spain. They're all so friendly. All the Gibraltarian people here that are into the car scene are very friendly as well. I've made a lot of mates through this car scene, which is probably one of the bigger factors of it, to be fair, because I came out to Gibraltar about a year and a half ago. Didn't really have many friends, and then obviously I won this car, and then I started making a lot more car friends, and now we hang out and work on each other's cars, help one another out. So yeah, I am extremely thankful I have the car. I'm extremely grateful that I managed to win the car. A lot of people think, you know, these car raffle companies are not legit, but they are. I'm living proof of it. The guys at 7 Day Performance did a great job at helping me out get the car down from the UK to Gibraltar. I'm extremely thankful that I have the car now because of the way the Japanese car market has exploded in the last 5 years. To be honest, it's gone to an unaffordable level that I probably wouldn't have been able to purchase this car without winning it from 7 Day Performance. So I'm just glad I was lucky enough to win the car, and hopefully I'll have many more memories to come in the near future with this car.